In this video, you'll learn how to customize your boards with colors, alignment, scheduling, and the message bank. These features make your displays look polished and save you time. You'll need a SplitCast account. Some features like row colors require a pro plan. If you haven't created a board yet, watch the Boards Basics video first. Select your board and then click the edit icon next to a message. Each row can have its own alignment, left, center, or right. This is useful when you have rows with different content, like a header centered on top and details aligned left below. Click the alignment drop-down for any row and choose your setting. Changes automatically update in the preview available at the bottom of the window. Now let's add some visual contrast. With a Pro plan, you can set custom colors for each row. Start by clicking the color picker next to any row. Choose a text color. This is great for highlighting important messages or matching your brand colors. You can also use RGB, HSL, and HEX codes to get exact color matches. Try using a bold color for your top row to draw attention, and neutral tones for supporting rows. The message bank lets you save, reuse, and organize messages across boards. To save a message as a template, enter a name and click Save. Give it a name you'll recognize later, something like Holiday Hours or Welcome Message. To load a saved message, click Message Bank and then click Load next to the message from your list. This is a huge time saver if you use the same messages across multiple boards or locations. You can also delete messages from the bank when you no longer need them. Want messages to appear only at certain times? Use scheduling. Change the message status from active to scheduled. Set a start date, end date, and time window. For example, you could schedule a happy hour message to display only between 4 and 7 p.m. on weekdays. Scheduled messages show as scheduled in the message list, so you know they're time-based. Outside of their scheduled window, they simply won't appear in the rotation. By default, messages rotate at a set interval. You can adjust this in board settings. Click the gear icon to open settings, then find message rotation. Set the number of seconds each message displays before flipping to the next. Shorter rotation intervals work well for quick announcements. Longer intervals are better for detailed content your audience needs time to read. Finally, if you've built a board you love, you can duplicate it. From the Boards tab, click a board from the list and select Duplicate. This creates an exact copy, all messages, colors, and settings included. Rename it and make adjustments for a new location or use case. Duplication is the fastest way to roll out consistent displays across multiple devices. One common issue: colors not applying? First, make sure you're on a Pro plan. Row colors are a Pro feature. Then double-check that you clicked Save after making changes. You now know how to style rows, use the message bank, schedule messages, adjust rotation timing, and duplicate boards. Next up, we'll cover pairing devices so you can display your boards on screens.